Welcome to the part 6 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we are going to have a look at writing motion. So, there are two types of writing motion, left motion and the right motion. The characters which are made in the left motion rotation are called left motion characters, and the characters which are made in the right motion rotation are called right motion characters. Now, there is also a note here. The term left motion and the right motion refer to the rotation in the movement, not the direction. Now let's understand writing motion by taking some examples. Alright, so to understand this, let's take some characters. So if we take like K, G, R and L. Okay, so let's make these characters. K is made like this, G is made like this, R is made like this, and L is made like this. Okay, so now have a look at the K character. So see how this character is made. This character is going from the this character is going to the right motion. Okay, see if I make this character again like this, so you see that the character is going in the right motion. Okay, it's going like this. Alright, so we will call this character as right motion character. Alright, so now let's look at this G character. Here again the same thing is happening. The character is going in the right motion, the right rotation, so it is like this. Alright, so this is again the right motion character. Right, so now let's have a look at the R character. So here the opposite thing is happening. Okay, so it's going like this. Right, so you see that it's going in the left rotation like this. Alright, it's going like this. So this one we will call this character as left motion character. Alright, now this one again the same thing is happening. The character is moving in the left motion. Alright, so if we extend this R character like this, so we will see that it's going in the left motion. So this one we will call this character again as left motion character. So that was all about the writing motion.